Talofa lava, it's Samoan Language Week called Fern toku ingoa. My name is Fern. And talofa Te Anau SCHOOL, called Sophie ahau. I'm Sophie. Welcome to the morning report for Friday the 4th of June. Starting the day with Te rere, korero or Te wiki. This week's phrase is sa varli, which is Samoan for go for a walk. So if you need some fresh air then, sa varli, go for a walk. Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating from 12:30, sketching and drawing for years 4 and 6 in room 10. There's hairstyling with Mr. C and all years 0 to 4 in room 9 salon. And table tennis in the hall, no food. For year 5 and 6, have fun koutou, ka pai, health and safety. A reminder about keeping off the top of the hedge. Yeah, you're allowed to be at the top, but not on the top of the hedge. Stay safe, everyone. Okay, bus news. Especially if after school today you have rugby, tennis, dance, art or music. Students not on the bus after school, remember to mark yourselves off, and if you've already done it, ka pai. Okay, yesterday we had over 70 students competing at Northern Cross Country in excellent conditions and doing us all proud. Congratulations to all our runners, especially those who made it all the way around, up, over and back home in one piece. Birthday news. 3 today, starting with Navab in room 13 turning 6. Then Archie in room 4 hits the big 9. And room 10 has Eden turning 11. Lots of special dinners tonight. Whānau ki a koutou. Happy birthday, everyone. Tomorrow is Ramiri, and we all know that means sausage sizzle day. So remember your gold coins, go to the caper block first thing. And tomorrow is bike club for the seniors. Looks like you'll need your vest and your coat. Also remember your bike and a helmet, ka pai. And if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Tōwha, see ya for goodbye. And from everyone here at the morning report team, Piki a kihi te taumata.
Whakarongo rā.